Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this laundry sorter cart. And this one, it comes in a double laundry hamper. It has a double basket. So this is everything that is included in the box. As you can see, it has the two baskets and it has like a bag for them. And also all the tubes that come with it are named, so it will be easier to put it together. The manual of instructions, it is really straightforward, so you just need to put everything together, and then once that you have done that, you can actually add the arcs that will be the where you will be hanging the baskets. Okay, so these are the sides of it. Now let's just start putting the wheels on those, because those are like the ones that will be rolling our laundry baskets. Once that we have installed these, we will proceed with the parts that go on the middle. And those are a little bit more tedious to add. But one thing that I love, besides that all the parts are named, is that you don't need any extra tools to put these together. Okay, so everything is in here, everything you need to put it together, the screws and the tools as well. Okay, I feel like the more parts it has, the more stable it is. So I really think that, so this has been great, very sturdy, and we have been using it a lot because I really like to have these organized. So it's really easy to put together. Then it is really easy to remove the baskets from here and take them to the laundry room. For example, what I like to do is to put these on my bedroom, and then I just bring each basket whenever it's full. And this part right here, I hadn't seen it before, and it's like a cover, and it covers all your laundry. And also it has like a top part on it, a plastic part where you can actually see if it is filled, and it has a zipper, kind of zipper bag on it. So if you have pets, you don't have to worry about them getting into your laundry baskets. So, like, let's say that you have a cat or something, they won't get into here. Okay, so this is great for that, or just to keep it private. This is really nice. The wheels work perfect as well, and it's really sturdy.